Are you looking for a partner with real strength, service, and capacity? Then you can't miss it. Girafe Sealants. Girafe has over 225,000 square meters of its own production base and has introduced a number of fully automated sealant production lines, covering filling, packaging, testing, and other aspects. We can easily meet the requirements of high volume, short delivery, and high quality orders, ensuring that every sealant that leaves the factory can stand the test of the market. Girafe is not just a manufacturer, but a behind-the-scenes enabler of your brand. We offer complete OEM and ODM services, from formulation design and color blending to packaging design, trademark registration, and certification support. Whether you are a channel player, an e-commerce company, an engineering party, or a brand, we can create a customized product for your market. Girafe Sealant products, applicable to construction, home decoration, automotive, electronics, industrial, and other fields, with strong adhesion, high temperature resistance, anti-aging, environmental protection, low VOC, and other multiple advantages to support a variety of materials bonding, including metal, glass, plastic, ceramics, etc., really do handle multiple scenes. Girafe is recruiting agents, partners, and distribution channels worldwide. We have exclusive price support, marketing material resources, professional technical training, localized OEM delivery support, efficient after-sales response to build a mutually beneficial and win-win global sealant service network. If you are looking for a sealant partner with strength, capacity, and guarantee, welcome to join the Girafe Global Partner Program. Contact us soon or leave a message in the comments section, and let's work together to bring quality sealants to every corner of the world.